Hi everyone, Linda Crocus here. Welcome back to the Healthy Asian Cuisine cooking show. Today, I'm showing you how to make nasigoreng, the Indonesian fried rice. It is the most popular dish in Indonesia and the whole of Southeast Asia. This outstanding, flavorful and authentic fried rice is made with fried spice paste or sambal, sweet soya sauce, cabbage, carrot, and brown rice. After knowing how to make this remarkably tasty fried rice, you will surely forget to take away. Let's get started with step number 1, preparing the spice paste. To begin, peel and roughly chop the shallots and garlic. Next, roughly chop the small and big chili, then cut the tomato into big chunks. To make the spice paste in the blender, add the shallots, garlic, the small chili, the big chili, sugar, salt, and 3 tablespoons of water. Then blend everything until smooth. Next, add the tomato, then pulse a few times to chop into small pieces and combine with the spice paste. It is not necessary to blend the tomato into a smooth paste. In step number 2, preparing the vegetables. To begin, cut the hard middle bit off from the cabbage. Then cut the cabbage into thin slices. Next, slice the carrot into 2 mm thick slices as shown here. Then stack in batches and cut them into matchsticks. Towards the final step, cooking the dish. Heat a wok or a frying pan over medium-high heat. Once hot, add the oil. When the oil is heated up, then add the blended spice paste. Stir-fry the paste frequently to avoid sticking to the bottom of the pan. Stir-fry for a few minutes until most of the liquid evaporated and is aromatic. At this moment, add all the carrots and the cabbage. Then mix the vegetables with the fragrant spice paste in the pan. Let's cook for 2 to 3 minutes. If it is too dry, add a little bit of oil or water, a tablespoon at a time. When the vegetables are softened, throw in the steamed rice and stir to mix with all other ingredients in the pan evenly. Once the rice is well coated with the spices, sprinkle the soya sauce, then stir to mix. Finally, add the white pepper over everything in the pan and stir to mix again. At this stage, taste the fried rice and add more salt, soya sauce, or pepper according to your preference. Once you are happy with the taste, dish your fried rice onto a flat bowl. Garnish with some freshly chopped coriander or other fresh vegetables you will love. And your aromatic Indonesia nasigoreng is ready to be served and enjoyed. If you like this video, please consider subscribing and don't forget to click that little bell. You will be the first to know whenever a new video comes out. If you try this recipe and you love it, tag me on social media. I enjoy seeing you take this recipe and make it your own. Thanks for watching. Until next time, happy cooking.